Hello friends, good news for all of you. You are invited to participate in Life in a Day 2020 on July 25. Well, the wait is over after 10 years on July 25. Executive producers Ridley Scott, The Martian, Gladiator, and Kai using Lords of Chaos, along with director Kevin MacDonald, Whitney One Day in September, The Last King of Scotland, invite you and the YouTube global community to pick up your cameras to create Life in a Day 2020 after 10 long years. Wait, exactly 10 years after the original Life in a Day, the world will once again come together to create a YouTube original feature length documentary that tells the story of a single day on Earth. Selected footage sourced from participants like you will be woven together in this documentary to tell the story of an ordinary day during these extraordinary times. Life in a Day 2020 will premiere at the Sundance Film Festival on YouTube in 2021. How the project works. The question arises how the project works. Simply on a single day, Saturday, July 25, people around the world are invited to film their day. Maybe you will be filming from home as you continue to navigate the coronavirus pandemic, or maybe you are in a part of the world where you are figuring out how to move forward in a transformed world. Maybe you are connecting with friends, reuniting with family, or going to work. Maybe it's a special day. You are getting married, moving out, sharing important news, or maybe it's just a normal day. We want to weave together these unique experiences and perspectives to create a time capsule of this moment. This final feature film will be edited over the course of 5 months, crafted entirely through what is found in the submitted footage. Once the submission window closes, a 30% team of multilingual reviewers stationed around the world will begin reviewing and translating submitted videos. Three principal features editors NSE, Asiko, Family of My Father, The Jazz Ambassadors, and Sam Rice Edwards Whitney will then undertake an enormous post production effort, working alongside director Kevin MacDonald to shape the film's final narrative out of the submitted footage. Who can take part? The major question arises who can take part? The filmmakers are encouraging people from all over the world to take part, and they hope to capture a wide perspective on life. Submissions are open from July 25 to August 2, which means you will have 1 week only to submit your footage at lifeinaday.youtube. While only a small number of the submitted clips will make it into the movie, YouTube and the filmmakers hope the filming day itself becomes a significant day of global participation. The Life in a Day 2020 project celebrates the importance of everyone coming together in a moment of equal worldwide collaboration. About the original film, the major question arises about the original film, which was featured in 2010. In 2010, Life in a Day brought the YouTube community together for a massive participatory feature film project that attracted 80,000 submissions. The final film, premiered at Sundance in 2011, was released globally in theaters and has been watched on YouTube over 60 million times. So friends, the wait is over. Capture your film or clip and then send it to YouTube. I hope you will understand and you will catch this opportunity. So be prepared yourself for it and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are a new user. Thank you very much for your precious time.